Yo, what's up guys? I'm so excited today because something came in our mail today. So I got the JBL Partybox 300. Yes, it's a Bluetooth speaker, powerful bass boost. So it's Red Dot Award winner 2019. I know that there's a Partybox on the go and Partybox 310 or 310 already, but I end up getting the Partybox 300 because it has RCA and the Partybox 310 has no RCA output. So for me, this is a good buy. So I'm very excited to unbox and to show it to you guys. So this is the box, JBL by Harman Partybox 300. It's a very big box, powerful bass boost. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's unbox this bad boy. Let's go. Wow, awesome. So guys, this is the accessories of the JBL Partybox 300. Let's see what's inside. So it has orange cable directly to the DC output to your car. Yeah. And we have manuals, cables, power cable, another power cable, and another cable. So 4 different power cables and 1 orange cable for your car. So at the back you can see this DC, it's for your car. This is for the power adapter. USB, so you can put USB stick on the speaker and play some music. You have input, RCA, and output if you want to connect 2 Partybox speakers, or if you want to connect your mixer or TVs, computer. You got AUX 3.5, left and right channel, and we have mic and guitar. So you can use this as a microphone speaker and a guitar speaker. Just turn up the volume. That's it. You can place the speaker horizontally or vertical like this because it has 4 rubber pads on it. Awesome. JBL. So let's connect the JBL Partybox to my iPhone. Turn on my Bluetooth and click JBL Partybox, and that's it. It's connected. So let's try a music or sound test. It's from my band called Fair Catch. There you go. Whoa. Bass boost. I just want to say hello, but as far as I know, you changed. So it has built-in battery, so you can use it if it's not plugged in. But when it's plugged in, I think it has much more power, this JBL 300 party box. Wow, I was blown away by the sound. It's so loud. The bass is very good. My volume is in the middle. It can rock, I think, your house. So it has bass boost, so you can change the lightings of your JBL 300. You can turn it off or circular motion. Wow, awesome. And you have the play button here.
I can be with anybody, I choose you.
And you have the volume up and the volume down. It is so loud, it is so nice. So what I'm gonna do is to crash and burn this thing. I think it's worth every penny you will spend on this JBL 300 party box, man. So that's it. This is the quick unboxing and sound test JBL Partybox 300. I'm speechless right now. This thing is awesome. So thank you for watching. See you again in my next vlog. To all of my subscribers, thank you very much. Like and subscribe because we have an online giveaway. So the mechanics is in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video. So peace. I'm signing out. JBL, man, Partybox 300. Let's go.
Near you, it's so much pressure.